Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix feedback required on Instagram login. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now for some reason, if you are seeing this problem, while resetting your app or logging your app says feedback required, then what that means is Instagram is restricting your IP address to use the Instagram server because Instagram server detected some kind of potential spam or malware behavior by your account. Now in order to fix this, what you need to do is simply switch your Wi-Fi connection to the data connection. Now by switching this, the IP address won't be detected or switched. Now simply go ahead and try again, and if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you need to do is simply head over to the App Store and then on the search bar simply type in Instagram and then check to see if the Instagram needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you need to do is tap on settings, then go to the general, then tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside iPhone storage, scroll down and then tap on Instagram, and once you're inside here, tap on offload app. Now what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app which might be causing the problem that you are facing. Once the process is complete, tap on delete app, which reinstalls the app with the latest version. And that's basically how to fix feedback required on Instagram login. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.